Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Update iPhone X and enable Face ID or a passcode so transactions are secure. Next, download a UPI-enabled app from the App Store. Choose one trusted. Once done, make sure the Indian mobile number on the device matches your bank account SIM. Now open the app and allow required permissions, notifications, contacts, and SMS, so the app can verify your number automatically and proceed to bank selection. Once the app finds your bank accounts, pick the account you want to use and start verification. You will receive an SMS OTP. Enter it promptly so the app confirms your account binding. After verification, create a UPI PIN. This is the key to send money, using your debit card number and expiry for authentication. Make sure the PIN is numeric and memorable. Write it down temporarily, then delete that note. This completes the complex linking step and enables payment. To pay, choose QR scan, UPID or recipient mobile number, enter amount, and confirm with your UPI PIN. Double-check the name that appears. Once sent, view the transaction status immediately. Save the transaction ID for disputes. If a payment fails or remains pending, make sure your iPhone has network access, SMS permissions are enabled, and the linked SIM is active. If problems persist, contact the app's support or your bank. Keep the transaction ID and screenshots handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.